Mazda has set out a clear electrification strategy to reduce carbon dioxide emissions in two ways. Firstly, we want to combine our efficient internal combustion engines with smart electrification technologies to achieve an even higher overall efficiency. This is part of our multi-solution approach, considering the individual mobility needs of our customers, the size of the vehicle, and the fitness of the region for electrified cars. As a second pillar of our sustainability strategy, we will offer full electric vehicles with a focus on life cycle emissions and a joyful driving experience. By 2030, all of our models will either be partially or fully electrified.
Our range of electrified combustion engine starts with the Mazda M-Hybrid concept, consisting of the Skyactiv engines complemented with a 24-volt mild hybrid electric system. This 24-mild hybrid is compact and highly efficient, reduces fuel consumption and increases driver comfort. It enhances the fuel economy by recycling energy recovered during deceleration. And this is how it works. A belt-driven integrated starter generator converts the kinetic energy recovered during the deceleration into electric energy, which is then stored in the battery. A DC-DC converter is used to convert this electricity to the appropriate voltage in order to cover the energy consumption of the car's electric equipment. Beside battery charging, the integrated starter generator can also release energy. This means adding torque to the crankshaft in order to support the engine. But the M-Hybrid system doesn't only enhance the car's environmental performance, it also ensures a better drivability. When the car is starting, accelerating or coming to a stop, transitions feel even more smooth and natural. By substituting electric engine torque for motor torque, the hybrid system can reach the same acceleration as petrol engines while using less fuel. Mazda is about to expand the electrification lineup further by introducing plug-in hybrid solutions. This is ideal for customers who frequently drive longer distances, where a pure electric vehicle cannot offer sufficient driving range. Compared to regular hybrid powertrains, plug-in hybrids benefit from a larger level of electrification. This system offers purely electric driving over medium distances and external charging of the battery, in addition to the energy recovery through recuperation. Thus, plug-in hybrid vehicles can be a great option for daily driving and commuting on the electric engine and are therefore locally emission-free. But the internal combustion engine can also drive the wheels directly or in conjunction with the electric motor. With these advantages, plug-in hybrid vehicles are a great solution for daily electric driving and commuting, with the option to drive longer distances on the internal combustion engine.
For driving short to medium distance, like in urban areas or when driving in countries with green energy generation, a fully electric car can be the most environmentally sustainable option. That's why Mazda launched its first fully electric vehicle, the Mazda MX-30, in 2020. It has a compact, reasonable size 35.5 kWh lithium-ion battery, which gives it a WLTP measured range of 265 km in urban areas and 200 km combined range. The smaller battery widely reduces the CO2 footprint of the Mazda MX-30 over the entire life cycle. Battery electric vehicles drive locally emission-free and therefore drive environmentally friendly with green electricity, but battery production releases high amounts of CO2, which increases with the size of the battery. Due to the larger battery, electric vehicles have already released more CO2 during production than vehicles with internal combustion engines. Thus, battery electric vehicles must be powered by electricity from sustainable sources. With CO2-free driving, they can offset the CO2 share released during battery production over the entire life cycle. In this way, electric vehicles are supposed to achieve a lower CO2 level than vehicles with combustion engines over the entire life cycle. In order to achieve this, the battery of the MX-30 is intentionally designed to be compact and lightweight in order to keep the CO2 emissions of the vehicle low over the entire life cycle, from production and driving to recycling. With the MX-30, we offer a car that combines a low CO2 footprint over the entire life cycle with a reasonable range for the typical urban and daily usage of a battery electric vehicle. For customers with a demand for higher driving range, we will introduce more suitable electrified concepts based on our multi-solution approach.
Our goal is to combine typical Mazda driving fun with a sustainable, thought-through strategy to reduce emissions. Electrification is an important part of our strategy to contribute to the decarbonization of traffic. With models having different degrees of electrification, we will meet the needs of our customers for their individual, affordable and sustainable mobility. To achieve this, we will continue to further develop both internal combustion engines and electric drive systems comprehensively.